Hello friends, today we are going to see n-bit binary adder. So for that you should first of all know what is adder is. So as the name suggests, adder means what? Addition of two numbers, right? So that numbers may be decimal numbers or integers, right? So in general we are just performing addition of integer numbers or decimal numbers, right? But this same operation of addition can be done using digital electronics by implementing a circuit. That means you can implement a circuit for performing addition operation. So how to perform addition operation in digital electronics, right? So here what we have to do, just we have to take two operands. There is a algorithm to perform this operation, and that is called as n-bit binary adder. Since in digital electronics we have to perform or we have to deal with only binary numbers, right? For example, if I want to add 9 plus 6, right? So these are what? Decimal numbers, or we can say integer numbers. So basically we can perform addition of these two numbers directly, as we'll get the output as 15, right? But when we are performing operation in digital electronics, then first of all we have to convert these both operands in your binary numbers. So first operand, that is 9, so I'll write 9 in binary. Then second operand, that is 6, that also I will write in binary. Now I can perform addition for this numbers, binary numbers, right? So as you know that when we are adding two numbers, that is a and b, I'll consider this first operand as a and second operand as b, right? So there are 4 combinations, right? And we'll get output as sum and carry, right? So when both the inputs are 0 0, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 0. If one of the input from these two is 1, then sum will be 1, carry will be 0. Same here. And last case is if both the inputs are 1, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 1, right? So these 3 rules we have to apply for performing addition of this two operands, right? So whenever we are going to perform addition of two operands or two binary numbers which is of n number of bits, so this is a n-bit binary adder. Why it is called as n-bit binary adder? Since we are performing addition operation, so that's why that is called as adder, right? As well it is called as binary adder. Why it is called as binary adder? Since we are performing addition of binary numbers, right? As well it is called as n-bit. Why it is called as n-bit? Since this number consists of n number of bits. This first operand consists of 4 number of bits. This second operand is also consisted of 4 bits, right? So that's why it is called as n-bit binary adder. n-bit क्यों बोला है? Since both the operands are of n number of bits, that means 4 bits के है, कितने भी bit के हो सकते हैं. Binary क्यों बोला है? Since they are binary numbers, and adder means addition operation. So whenever we are going to perform addition of n-bit binary numbers, then that time always start with rightmost column, right? So we are performing addition operation column wise, right? So here we'll start with the rightmost column and go towards leftmost column up till your leftmost column we have to perform this same action, right? So I'll start with rightmost column, right? So 1 plus 0 is, this case is applied, so sum will be 1 and carry will be 0, right? Now next is what? Again I'll perform operation, addition operation. 0 plus 1 is sum 1 carry 0, carry का तो 0 रहेगा लेकिन sum 1 है, 1 plus 0 is again 1, right? Now again I'll perform operation. 0 plus 1 is sum 1 carry 0, plus यहाँ पे 0 है इसलिए वो वैसे रहेगा sum 1 carry 0, right? Now next is what? 1 plus 0 is sum 1 carry 0 as well, plus 0 है तो वहाँ पे 1 रह जाएगा. And if I convert this number into decimal, then that is the decimal 15, right? So you can see that output is matching, right? So what we had done here, we had first of all converted this decimal numbers or integer numbers into binary, since we are implementing a circuit in digital electronics to perform addition operation, right? So the basic thing is that when we are performing any operation or implementing any circuit in digital electronics, then that time you should remember that it will accept only binary input, right? And it will generate binary output. So that's why I had converted these decimal numbers into binary. Then after that I had started with rightmost column and performed addition operation up till it reaches to leftmost column. We have to perform same action up to leftmost column, right? So we have to go to from right to left, and that is column wise, right? So that is what your n-bit binary adder is, right? I hope you understood why it is called as n-bit binary adder, since we had performed addition of n number of bits and that number is a binary bit, so that's why it is called as n-bit binary adder. So thank you, I hope you understood it.